Nathan Criswell, and today we're going to get this Yamaha
Yamaha
600 generator hopefully running. This was given to me for doing some yard work, and here, I'll make it easier shot. I'm assuming that right there, that's the carburetor in there. I'm thinking that that bowl right there is full of gunk, and I'm going to try to clean it out, put some fresh gas in it, and see where we can go from there.
How difficult do you think this is going to be?
Yeah.
Wasp.
It just depends on how many things I have to take off to get to the carburetor. I'm assuming this is a 10 mil.
Well, if we ever screw this up, we have video to see how we did it.
Exactly. Oh, wrong way. So you have 4 bolts holding on this back cover.
So it's 1, 2. Oh. Okay.
And this should get me to where I can easily remove the carburetor. Hopefully.
Hopefully, being the keyword there.
Oh man, you might have to pause the video so I can run up and get some carbon choke cleaner.
Okay then.
But we'll see if we actually need it when I get to the carburetor.
Okay then. So, about how much experience do you have doing this?
Just weed eaters. I've had to take a couple of weed eaters apart. And, the way I do this, hopefully it'll go back together the same way I take it apart.
Yeah.
If not, well then we're fucked. I mean, we're screwed. I mean, oh man, YouTube.
Dude, you don't have enough subscribers to actually worry about demonetization. You're good.
Fuck yeah.
So,
You're an asshole, you know. Pointing out the obvious here.
Yeah. For those who are wondering, the reason why I'm asking questions is to serve as an FAQ, because frankly, I am not a motorhead. He is.
I just like taking things apart and figuring out what's wrong.
Yeah. Well, he does that for motors, I do that with technology.
Well, I can do it with technology too, I just don't like to because there's too many small parts I can break. And at least with stuff like this, it's made out of metal. Don't have to worry about fucking up a motherboard.
Well, motherboard... Yeah, you got a point. It's made out of silicone.
Come right out.
Dear Lord!
Woo! She's been abused.
Is that aluminum foil?
No, that's heat wrap. She's been a little bit abused.
That's an understatement.
So right here is the carburetor. Let's see, hopefully we don't have to take off too much. God damn, we have... Oh, see if this is a 10 mil. Fuck you, gas can.
Can we remove the gas can real quick?
I'm not gonna remove that. Wait.
Oh, dear Lord.
But I'm just thinking that this fuel bowl right here just has a bunch of gunk in it, hopefully.
I'm gonna reach it.
Oh, I can reach it.
Somewhat.
Because the fuel lines look just fine. I'm gonna empty it out. Get the gas out of there.
Pop.
Goes the weasel. What the hell? That's supposed to be a fuel bowl, not a...
What is that?
You guys are learning with me. This is supposed to be the fuel bowl, I thought. I guess that the lines might actually be...
Completely flubbernucked?
In easier words, yeah.
They're not connected to anything.
Shit. I am learning with you guys. It's one thing I hope to get out of YouTube is I can do stuff. You guys can get a little bit of enjoyment out of it, you know, me fucking shit up. And, fuck you. Not you guys, trust me. This thing's just being really stubborn. Wait a second.
Freaking Markiplier's World's Quietest Let's Play flashback. Don't fuck the melons, but you know, fuck the melon.
I'm gonna have to blow this shit out.
Smells not exactly pleasant.
Oh, it's gas. What do you expect?
Gas.
Oh,
Not freaking rotting corpse.
It's
Smells
old.
like something died.
Probably.
You're lucky we didn't invent smell-o-vision yet.
Oh, by the way, this is the 117 Doctor, aka Gavin Ditmar.
Hello.
He's really helpful when it comes on to this stuff. Because I don't have a GoPro, or else I'd be doing all this first person. And just putting the file, giving him the file, because he's my description
Giver.
He helps me out a lot when it comes to stuff. Because I'm not really that tech savvy, if you know what I mean. But I can work a cell phone and a computer enough. To know whether or not how to run it. And pretty much. Okay, that's probably about good.
So, here's a question. Why in the world do these things go to nothing? Like, what are they supposed to go to?
Your clue is as good as mine.
I think it's supposed to be your guess is as good as mine.
Alright, shut up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and grab a gas can and empty this old gas out.
Okay.
Got me an old beat up gas can. Not even sure what's in here.
So, I just realized there's a multi-tool here.
Yeah, that's actually... it's corroded in there. I'm not even gonna worry about it.
We have a set of tools on our own. We're good.
Come on. Come on, Bessie.
Is there actually gasoline in there?
Yep. I'm
Damn.
not sure how old it is. This
Probably
was...
very old.
Oh, fuck you.
So, what's the problem with,
Old gas can gunk up crap. And,
Pretty sure it's less can and more will.
Depends. What's your diapers for old people? That looks like piss.
Yeah, it does. Wait, is gasoline supposed to be clear?
It's supposed to have a little tint, not that much. That means that it was sitting in there for a while.
There's the reason why I'm asking... Whoa! There's the reason why I'm asking questions. And I almost dropped my phone.
Ugh. Seems like a you problem.
Yes, that is a me problem. It's also a we problem. Do, 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 do. I'm gonna have the backside.
I'm gonna go and get some fresh gas. See if that'll do the trick.
Despite
Hoping it will.
the fact that this fuel line doesn't seem to be connected to anything.
Well, there's holes there, so I'm not sure if this was connected or what.
I don't know about you, but I think it was going together, but then it got snipped. Cannot aim a camera correctly. I think that fuel line got snipped, personally.
Okay, here goes nothing. That should be enough to get it running. Now,
Thought this was a gas can lid, not a game cartridge.
man.
Vehicle inbound. There's no leaking gas. So it's off.
Hold that about right there.
About right, here?
Yeah, that's perfect.
I'm afraid this engine's gonna explode on me. Okay, I will admit I am a pansy odor